Okay friends, let's continue our e-commerce site tutorial. Today I will try to fetch product according to our brands. Let's say our category names. We will display categories name here and with checkbox. If I click on any checkbox, product will be display according to that category name. Okay, and we will try to display category names exactly this view, like in brackets we will display number of products have this category. Okay, and last video we have done our this slider programming. Okay, so for now let's start coding and fetch products according to our category id, but before that we have to display list of categories here. That's very simple. uh, just display here categories. First of all, comment me uh, this extra categories. Okay, and we will use this for fetch our dynamically category. For that, just write a command. uh, Suppose we say cats is variable name, and here we will display products table name procat. Okay, let me confirm that. Yeah, procat, and right here procat our table name, and let's get. That's all. Now we have a variable with loads of array according to our categories data, and start here your for loop. uh, Same as before, we done many times. I'm not explaining this. And here cats, our data with cats, and here and for each I cut and I pasting here, and here we will display category name. Mm, let's say blade functionality. uh, okay, I'm not searching. I just try to write here, copy paste, and here my uh, cat cat have data and field name is name. Now I hope I have categories. Yeah, electronic, movies, books, our all category dynamically. Okay, if I say I want this according to my order by name, so right here order by, and in order by just select field name and ascending order. Refresh. Yeah, it's ABEM. Okay, now I have to display count of the products according to category name and one for checkbox. We have here our anchor tag. Just remove the anchor tag. Let me confirm, it's not our designing factory. It's, so don't remove for now. Okay, just write back this for now, and your add your input type type checkbox. Okay, and we will choose here id to choose in our uh, Ajax same before we done here. Here will be cat id. Okay, here cat id, and value will be our actual cat id. So uh, NetBeans is really rude for me. Just write here cat id, and yeah, you have checkbox now. And one more thing we left, we want to display actual number of hair. Okay, for this just cut this, and here I will call app and products. Okay, products will be where our field name is cat id in products table. Okay, and cat id where our actual cat id, cat id. We have now data here, our count function out. Let me see it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. For this, let me fix this design. Mm, for that, let me remove this our default anchor tag. Okay, our span, pull right, here our count, here our checkbox. If I see our design will be affected, for this I have to just fix this design to look good. For this, the padding 10 pixel, that is look good. And our here is input type, and you have any tag, just make it tag with our style. Remove anchor tag, replace with b tag. Remove a and add b. Okay, let me do a class for designing brand ally, just for learning purpose. I'm using here my own style. Okay, just add a style tag, and here we want to add a padding 10 pixel, and our brand have a b tag that we want font font size 16, and it's already bold, so don't worry about that. Let me check how it's look. Yeah, it's looking good. For that we need a caps for our product name. Okay, look good. We need color. Okay, and Actually, I need this color. What is color? This color is this. Look good. If I click here, I need a function for that and pass it data to our Ajax. Okay. For that, let me create a new handler in our function. Okay. We have a ID. Just call that ID. ID name, I think brand ID. We will confirm his name is right, but let me complete this click and share my function and alert. Okay, if I click any checkbox, this will be alert. It's not alerting. Let me check what is problem in console. I think I am not passing the right ID. Brand dot click function. Oh yeah, we have error here. Mm, let me see if I wrong in our checkbox. Yeah, it's brand ID. My spelling was not right. Refresh. Sorry, not here. I not want to change my class. I want to change its ID. Okay, brand ID. I'm sorry. Now our design is back. Click here. Is clicking because we are not using any looping functionality, so our first checkbox is working. Let's continue our Ajax functionality and get the actual data. For now, just comment this. Okay, and we will use jQuery function each. Okay, for that we need uh, a variable for this. Use who just for dummy. We have to pass it to string, so don't worry. uh, the brand and share our same ID name, brand brand ID dot each. You can read about jQuery reach in jQuery official site how it's working. But now let me complete my function. Okay, and in each, if we will check our checkbox is checked or not. If it's check dot is this jQuery function to check it's checked. If it's check, here we will use same variable to push our data. This dot value. So val, not of, only val. Okay, now we have a variable with data, and here I want to check what is selecting in our brand. Value must be our category ID, actual 1, 2, 3, anything. Okay, let's refresh. Click on automobile. It's not working. I think I have a error. Yeah, actually I have a error. Let me check what is error. Each function is this dot is check brand. Let me remove this for now. I think 190 is actually, I think its work will be out of this. That's not a problem. Function is right. Click function. Our brand variable has a array. If I click on each is function. If this dot is checked. Mm, oh, I'm sorry. Here we have to use this. This is like this. Okay, we using this function like this. If this is checked, then push variable into brand. Our value will be pushing into brand variable. I think now it will working. No, no error. Or I think I need to alert something. Here we passing our brand variable. Yeah, it's id2. If I click book, it will not work because we are not using loop. Let me try into after my this function. Sorry. Yeah, let the browse load. No, so guys, it will be work in our function. uh, for that we have to pass our both. mm, it's our brand. If I say uh, we need, okay, uh, if I say we need to sorry, brand dot to string. Okay, if now I will click on this, let me see what is brand is not defined. Okay, final final brand. Okay, it's our this brand, it's our final brand. Now refresh. Brand is not defining. Mm, sorry. Actually, it's categories. So you can use any name. I am using brand. Is to we have to see in the console also. Uh, I am removing this from alert. Let me check in. Okay. It's brand ID. Okay. And it's loop. Let me check without loop. If I say I have a input type checkbox and it have class. This time I will choosing class. Class is uh, try. Try and value is custom one and copy this here. Two classes will be same. Value will be two now. Okay. Now change this according to our class. Here will be try. Okay. Here also dot try. Now we will be two more checkbox for testing. If I click one, two, that's we need in this type of data. Okay. Mm, okay. Our check this. Remove this testing and give a class to this our checkbox. Yeah, it's working. I don't know why it's not working with ID. You try yourself. It will be working with ID also. Uh, I don't know why it's not working, but uh, without wasting your time, I will continue our logic. Okay. Uh, this time we are using our checkbox click and we got our IDs of category. Okay. And we will pass to our controller. Okay, we successfully passing I our category IDs, but with class without ID. You can try with IDs. Okay, now go to controller and we need controller. Our controller is, sorry, not this. My project is this. Sorry about that. HTTP controller. Our controller is home. We need a one more else if. Else if. Okay. We will pass our same data type here, but this time we will pass our brand. And okay. Mm, Let me complete first our Ajax function. We have final brand. Okay, we will pass this data. Try to copy this. You can write yourself. I am removing this. URL will be same because we are targeting same page. And here I am passing. Here I am passing this final brand to our this brand. Okay, and update div will be same. And here I will copy brand. Okay, for this check is set is brand. If we are receiving brand data, then will be this function will be execute according to our requirement. Okay, where, not where, here will be use where in. Okay, what is where in, you can check in Laravel where in. Okay, you can check how it's working where in. Hmm, wherein yeah, this is wherein we have data, this type of data. We will fetch data according to our category IDs. Okay, here our will be brand. Okay, but first of all, let me show you what we are getting. Here I am simply doing echo our brand, not ends, but brand, requesting brand. It will be display here because we are targeting same update div, like this type of data. 2 4 3. So you can see now just move echo and try to display data, but not passing, just display data. Okay, products. For this, here will be our field name in products table, cat id, and we don't need any equal to, but we need explode php function for this. Mm, php explode comma, we need to explode comma from our category this data and insert into our MySQL query. Just check how is exploding. Yeah, this is exploding. Okay, and for comma, just copy this. Is exploding bracket. We need one more bracket, and here brand. Okay, we are displaying data in array. Let me see. Yeah, we have data. Total is 0. If I click here, if I click here is 18 electronic. Let me show you to check. We have what type of data. If I click category ID 1 have 1, 2, 3, 4 products, and category ID 1 have name is, I'm sure it's electronic. So for that, if I click on electronic, it will be 4 products. Yeah, it's 4 products, and products name will be one is corn, second will be green nut. Let me check here. It's corn, green nut. Yeah, we are getting a right product. Just display according to our array. Okay, just comment this, refresh. Now electronic. Yeah, you are getting your own products. If I click a movie, yeah, now with paging, you have this. One more thing, we can display count of product here. For that, do for default first. Okay, we have products variable here, and if I click here, net beans, it's really roots for me. Here I am saying total products. It's predefined functions you can use as your help, and function is our total. Let me test it's working or not. By default is 60 products. Okay, it's not looking good there. Let me test here. Anyway, just check. It's gone because now we are using different view. Do with same our second resource view, and our new products will products where we are displaying here inner. Yes, now we will be, now we can see 60 product by default. If I change this cursor, it will be less according to our 20, 14. Yeah, you can see. If I click here, is 28. If I click on book, it's 46, and only book 18. Just remove this. Sorry, no product. So we are not making logic for this both of price range or brand. For now I am only making logic for one time for price range, one time for brands. Our at a time will be one logic will be work. Okay, if I click on electronics is 4. If I click on movies will be add with electronic 14. It means movie will be 10. Yeah, you can getting right. If I changing this is 8, total 8, and our uh, one page have 6 products. That's why we have a second page. If I decrease more, we have 6. We don't have paging. Okay, because we are displaying products per page 6, you can choose any number. If I click on books, 28, we have according to products paging. So for this video I am stopping here. Thanks guys. If you like my work, please like and share. Please give me your feedback in comments and suggest me more functionality for this series. I will cover uh, I will cover according to your suggestion. All suggestions are welcome. Please comment and give your feedback. Thank you guys. Take care.